Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add a sticky header in WordPress. We will be doing this with Divi's built-in sticky options which let you keep your header visible while users scroll down the page. If you want to follow along and try Divi at a great price, check the link in the description. Start by opening your WordPress dashboard and going to Divi Theme Builder. Here you can edit your global header or create a new custom header. Once the header is open in the Divi Builder, you will see the sections, rows, and modules that make up your design. Click on the section or row that contains your navigation menu, open the settings and go to the Advanced tab. Under Scroll Effects you will see the sticky position options. Set it to Stick to Top. This makes the header remain visible at the top of the screen as visitors scroll down the page. You can also choose when the sticky effect should apply. For example, you can make the header sticky only on desktop or on desktop and tablet but not mobile. Divi gives you full control over that. Next, you can style your sticky header so it looks different while scrolling. Switch to the Design tab and look for the sticky state settings. For example, you can change the background color when the header becomes sticky, adjust the size of the logo, or shrink the padding to create a compact version of the header. These changes only apply while the header is sticky, giving you a smooth and modern effect. If you want to take it further, you can also use Divi's scroll effects. These let you add animations like fading in, sliding, or transforming the header as the user scrolls. A simple shrink effect or color change is often enough to make the header stand out while keeping the focus on your content. Once you are happy with the design and sticky behavior, click the green checkmark to save the settings. Then save your header template in the theme builder and exit. Refresh your site, scroll down, and you will now see your header stick to the top of the page with the custom scroll effects you set up. This is a quick way to make your navigation easier to use and give your website a more professional feel using Divi's sticky header options. If you want to try Divi at a great price, remember to use the link in the description.